Every year, millions of tons of seashells and plastic waste are abandoned on our shores, left to decay and pollute the fragile beauty of the ocean. In the distance, a beacon of modern innovation rises, ready to transform these forgotten materials into something extraordinary through the power of advanced, sustainable technology. These shells, once home to marine life, now sit as barren waste, but within their calcified structures lies the strength of the deep sea, waiting for rebirth. The plastic that plagues our waters is a modern curse, yet it possesses a durability that can be harnessed for a much nobler and lasting purpose. The process of reclamation begins here, as we gather the raw elements of our future masterpiece from the very edges of the world's great oceans. This isn't just a cleanup operation, it is a harvest of untapped potential. We are collecting the building blocks for a new kind of luxury. Driven by a mission of sustainability, these materials are transported to a place where science and art meet to redefine the meaning of recycled goods. Every piece of waste tells a story of the ocean's struggle, but soon they will become part of a grand narrative of restoration and elegance. The arrival at the facility marks the transition from environmental burden to industrial resource. The transformation of the ocean's discarded treasures is about to commence. Advanced sensors analyze the composition of every shell and plastic fragment, ensuring only the highest quality raw materials enter our sophisticated production line today. Welcome to the heart of the Material Wizard's domain, a sanctuary where high technology breathes new life into what the world has long cast aside. The rhythm of the machines begins to pulse, a mechanical heartbeat that signals the start of a meticulous process designed to heal our blue planet. Precision is our guiding principle. Every step is monitored with extreme accuracy to ensure that the final product meets the standards of high-end architectural design. With the touch of a button, the alchemy begins. We are ready to turn the tide on waste and create something truly magnificent and enduring. Millions of tons of shells and plastic are waiting for their moment. We call this a treasure, and today, we will witness its spectacular rebirth. The first step is total purification. High-pressure water cannons strip away years of grime, revealing the natural, pearlescent beauty hidden beneath the ocean's debris. Every crevice is searched, and every grain of sand is removed. This intense cleaning process ensures that our final marble slabs remain flawlessly pure. Now pristine, the shells move forward to meet their destiny. They are about to be broken down to their very essence to build something new. Inside the crushing chamber, the strength of the ocean meets the force of industry. The shells are prepared for a radical change in their form. The sound is sharp and crisp as the calcium structures give way. This destruction is necessary to create the fine aggregate needed for our stone. What was once a solid shell is now a versatile mineral powder. This ivory-hued material will provide the skeletal structure for our ocean-inspired marble. Sifting ensures uniform texture. These tiny fragments carry the legacy of the sea, ready to be bound together into a surface of incredible strength. Simultaneously, the plastic waste undergoes its own transformation. Once a pollutant, it is now being prepared to act as a resilient binding agent. The blades move with surgical precision, reducing the plastic into small, manageable flakes. This process is the key to recycling synthetic materials effectively. These blue flakes represent the depths of the sea. By repurposing this plastic, we prevent it from ever returning to harm the marine ecosystem. Purity is maintained throughout the plastic line as well. We remove every impurity to ensure the structural integrity and clarity of our final material. Moisture is the enemy of a perfect bond. The flakes are dried completely, preparing them for the intense heat and mixing phase that follows. Nature and technology now move side by side. Two different worlds of waste are about to converge into a single, high-value architectural product. The silos are filled with the refined essence of the ocean. These materials are now stabilized and ready for the wizardry of our master blenders. Every batch is verified. We ensure the mineral content is perfect, guaranteeing that the resulting stone will be as durable as natural marble. Efficiency is built into every pipe and tube. The material travels at the speed of thought, moving toward its final transformation into luxury stone. The foundation is laid. This white mineral base will provide the classic marble look while utilizing the unique textures of the crushed oyster shells. The color of the ocean is added. These plastic particles will melt and weave through the shell powder, creating the signature veins of our marble. The initial mix is where the magic begins to take shape. The distribution of color must be random yet balanced to mimic natural stone. This industrial symphony of crushing and cleaning is the essential groundwork for sustainability. We turn the old world into the foundation of the new. Accuracy to the milligram ensures consistency. Every slab of ocean marble we produce carries the same promise of quality and environmental responsibility. With the raw components refined and measured, we move into the lab where the true artistry of color and chemistry takes center stage. In our color lab, we develop the soul of the material. We use pigments that reflect the deepest trenches and the sunlit shallows of the sea. The secret ingredient is a high-performance bioresin. It acts as the glue that will bind our ocean waste into a rock-solid, everlasting material. This resin is specifically formulated to be eco-friendly, ensuring that our entire production process remains as green as the oceans we strive to protect. The blending process is a dance of textures. As the whisk turns, the once dry particles are enveloped in a protective, glossy layer of resin. We add a touch of metallic brilliance to mimic the way sunlight glints off the water's surface. It's these details that create true luxury. The colors bloom like an underwater explosion. This is where the aesthetic of the ocean marble is born, unique and unrepeatable in every single batch. The result is a 70% shell and 30% recycled plastic ratio, a perfect balance of nature's minerals and man-made resilience. The mixture is now a viscous liquid stone. It carries the weight of the shells and the flexibility of the plastic, ready for the mold. Human intuition still plays a role. We hand-style the most premium slabs to ensure the patterns are as organic and breathtaking as natural stone. Vacuum technology removes any trapped air, ensuring a dense, non-porous structure that will resist stains and bacteria for decades to come. Our facility is capable of producing a vast spectrum of oceanic colors, from the pale turquoise of the Caribbean to the deep navy of the Atlantic. These shimmering particles aren't just for show. They create a depth within the material that makes the surface seem to move when light hits it. The transition to the mold is critical. The mixture must be distributed evenly to ensure the structural stability of the final large format slab. This is the moment of formation. The liquid ocean waste is about to be forced into a solid state under extreme industrial conditions. Leveling creates the uniform thickness required for architectural applications. Even in this raw state, the beauty of the material is clearly visible. The saturation of the colors is achieved through high-quality eco-pigments that are UV-resistant, ensuring the stone never fades, even in direct sunlight. Temperature control is vital for the resin to set correctly. We ensure the environment is perfect before the true transformation under heat begins. The laboratory phase is complete. What was once trash on a beach is now a high-tech slurry, ready to be forged into stone. The journey continues into the heart of the factory. Now, we use raw power to solidify this vision of sustainable luxury forever. Heat is the catalyst for change. Inside the kiln, the bioresin begins to react, permanently bonding the crushed shells and recycled plastic flakes together. At the molecular level, the plastic liquefies, filling the gaps between the shell fragments. This creates a composite material stronger than many natural stones. This process ensures total density. There are no voids or weak points in our marble, making it incredibly resistant to cracking and heavy impact. Now comes the pressure. This massive machine exerts thousands of tons of force, compacting the heated mixture into a singular, solid slab of stone. The sheer power of the hydraulic press is breathtaking. It mimics the geological pressures that create natural marble over millions of years. We compress time and nature. What took the Earth eons to achieve, we accomplish in minutes with precision engineering and sustainable materials. The hiss of steam signals the final expulsion of air. The material is being forged into a high-density masterpiece that will last for generations. Consistency is held under pressure. This stage is crucial for the slab's final hardness, ensuring it can withstand the rigors of any interior environment. As the press rises, the transformation is revealed. The liquid mixture has become a solid, monolithic block of ocean-inspired beauty, ready for the next stage. Careful handling is essential while the material is still warm. Our robotic systems ensure that the slab is moved with perfect balance and grace. The cross-section reveals the truth of the process. It is a dense, colorful fusion of waste that has been given a new, permanent form. Controlled cooling prevents thermal shock. We slowly bring the slab to room temperature to lock in the structural integrity we've just created. Each slab here represents a significant amount of plastic and shells removed from the coastline. Together, they are a forest of sustainable innovation. Precision is our obsession. We measure every slab with lasers to ensure it meets the exacting standards required for luxury, cabinetry, and furniture. Even in its raw, unpolished state, the depth of the ocean is visible. The patterns are rich and complex, a true reflection of the sea. The journey of the slab continues. From the forge, it moves toward the craftsmen and machines that will shape it into its final form. Human eyes provide the final check. We ensure that every slab is a masterpiece before it proceeds to be cut and refined for use. Every slab is unique, like a fingerprint. We document the natural artistry of each piece, ensuring that our clients receive a truly one-of-a-kind product. Our process is designed for scale. The more we produce, the more waste we can remove from our precious oceans, turning a problem into beauty. The trimming process removes the rough edges of the mold, giving us a first look at the incredible density and color saturation within. We believe in a circular economy. Even the offcuts and dust from our process are collected and fed back into the beginning of the line. Advanced mapping technology prepares the stone for the precision cutting phase. We maximize every square inch of this precious recycled material. The forge has done its work. The waste is gone, and in its place stands a stone born of fire, pressure, and a vision for earth. Precision meets power in the cutting room. Our 5-axis water jet cutters slice through the dense material with surgical accuracy and incredible speed. Because it's a cold cutting process, the integrity of the resin and shell structure is never compromised, allowing for the most intricate architectural designs. From large wall panels to custom sink openings, our technology can handle any shape with ease, bringing the designer's wildest ocean dreams to life. Next, we refine the surface. The rough exterior is systematically removed through a series of grinding stages, using diamond-tipped tools of increasing fineness.
Perfect, hold it
The
there.
grinding process reveals the true character of the ocean marble. Each pass of the machine brings us closer to the hidden beauty within. The transformation is visual and tactile. The surface becomes smooth to the touch, and the colors begin to pop with a newfound clarity. We use a closed-loop water system to cool our machines. Every drop is filtered and reused, maintaining our commitment to zero waste production. Our automated facility allows for consistent quality across every piece. The precision of the robots ensures that every edge and corner is perfect. We don't cut corners. Even the sides that will never be seen are finished to the highest standards, ensuring a premium feel from every angle. The edge profile is the finishing touch of the shape. Whether it's a sharp miter or a soft bullnose, our tools create flawless architectural lines. Cleanliness is paramount in our shaping process. We ensure that no dust escapes the machines, protecting our workers and the environment at once. Quality control is relentless. We verify every dimension, ensuring that when the material reaches the job site, it fits perfectly without any adjustment. As the water clears, the detail is stunning. You can see the individual fragments of the shells, now part of a beautiful, man-made stone. For the most complex details, our master craftsmen take over. Their skilled hands add the final human touch to our technologically advanced process. There is a deep respect for the material in every movement. We treat this recycled stone with the same care as the rarest Italian marble. Day and night, our mission continues. We are committed to transforming as much waste as possible into beautiful, functional art for your home. The shaping is complete. What started as jagged shells and twisted plastic is now a refined architectural element, ready for its final, brilliant shine. Every piece carries our mark, a symbol of our commitment to the ocean and our promise of unrivaled quality in every sustainable slab we create. The stage is set for the finale. We are moving into the polishing room, where the true magic of the ocean marble will be revealed. This is where the magic happens. We use soft felt pads and a proprietary organic polishing compound to bring the stone to a high-gloss finish. Our polishing wax is entirely non-toxic and organic. It enhances the natural colors of the shells and plastic without using any harmful chemicals. As the friction increases, the resin and shell surface begins to shine. The transition from matte to mirror finish is a truly satisfying sight to behold. The clarity is unparalleled. You can see deep into the material, through layers of translucent blue resin and shimmering metallic flakes of recycled plastic. The light brings the ocean to life. The metallic pigments and pearlescent shells create a 3D depth that makes the stone seem to glow from within. The finish is as smooth as glass and as hard as diamond. It is a tactile experience that conveys the quality and care put into every inch. This is the ocean marble, a material that shouldn't exist, created from the things the world threw away, now more beautiful than nature itself. Up close, the detail is mesmerizing. Every shell fragment tells a story of the sea, preserved forever in this durable and luxurious new form. We demand perfection. Only the most flawlessly polished slabs are allowed to leave our facility, ensuring our customers receive the very best we offer. The final touch. The material is now ready to transform a luxury kitchen, a high-end bathroom, or a stunning corporate lobby into an oceanic sanctuary. From the beach to the world's most beautiful homes. The transformation is complete, and the Material Wizard's vision has been fully realized in stone. Experience the ultimate in sustainable luxury. Our ocean marble brings the timeless beauty of the sea into the heart of your home, guilt-free and gorgeous. It is more than just a surface, it is a statement of values. Choosing our material means choosing a cleaner, more beautiful future for our planet. Our goal is simple, to see every beach as clean as this one. By turning waste into treasure, we are helping the ocean heal itself. We are not just creating exquisite materials, we We are saving our oceans, one masterpiece at a time, ensuring a sustainable and beautiful future for all generations.